Global Advertisers, scaling new heights in outdoor media. For the last 16 years, Global has delivered quality and innovative outdoor solutions. The company has an unconventional focus on OOH with presence in all areas: hoardings, railways, bus, neon displays. In short, anything and everything one can think of or can't think of in outdoor advertising.
Amit, Gupta, Harminder have all been staunch supporters. People have been able to move quickly. People who have been able to give us the best quality in terms of services. Best turnaround in 24 hours, which I think is totally mind-blowing.
Global Advertisers has prominent sites and strategies so that your product catches the customer's eye. Every now and then, Global comes out with an innovation that makes ad campaigns different and manages to linger on in people's minds for long.
I really appreciate the way they have handled the whole thing, and the whole hoarding and the media advertisement was done by Sanjeev ji and Niti was really excellent.
We were very happy during our public issue. The entire team was on the ball and responsive. They reacted to our last minute requests also and went out of the way to make sure we had no problem.
Over the years, Global has successfully handled topmost brands, bringing meaningful audience engagement and greater integration with other media.
Hi, this is Sonam Kapoor. I thank Mr. Sanjeev Gupta from Global Advertising for supporting our cause.
I just feel that Global Advertisers are doing a great job with our hoardings for Dirty Picture, and it's really created a tremendous buzz. So keep it up.
To generate greater impact, Global continuously works with the government agencies to create more media opportunities and improve infrastructure. The agency offers never-before visibility in Mumbai, with prominent hoardings strategically located across the city. Mumbai's largest hoarding in Bandra. Global has the potential to reach millions of consumers in hundreds of cities across India every day.
I want to thank Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, the MD Global Advertising, for being the outdoor partners on the Dirty Picture. Thank you for all the support. You all have been phenomenal.
Global Advertisers, scaling new heights in outdoor media.